Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I will show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Right now find wallpaper, and in this case I'm going to use the My Wallpapers. You can also set up picture from gallery or go for wallpaper services. I'm going for My Wallpapers. And here we got the multi-packs that just change every time that you lock and unlock your smartphone. So as you can see, it's a couple of them. But if you want to get only one wallpaper, for example this one, click on it and then choose to set it up on the lock screen. Click to set on the lock screen and take a look right now. As you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.